what I'm finding in the conversations I'm having is people are starting to realise that they don't have to have the be-all and end-all of fast chargers in logistics if those trucks aren't actually being used for periods of time. There might actually be other ways to balance it and top up during the day.
Yeah, I completely agree. I think that the infrastructure design planning, if we call it that, is like certainly something that we see over here that people are really starting to think on now. And there's some stories of businesses that have gone for this one-for-one combination. I've got one vehicle, I need one charger. I've got 10 vehicles, I need 10 chargers. Well, actually, maybe it doesn't play out like that. So when you're thinking about your investment plan and your investment cycle in these things, you might not need to spend the money that you think you need to.
Oh, you might be like us. And I actually have lots of spare chargers during the day. So as the site increases its work potential, I can be charging during the day as well, because I've got a battery there that I can charge from if or when I need it